Guess where we're going?
We are going to airport pick up Bandana, Venkat Bandana.
He's from America. We're on the way. I think he said he landed, right?
Yeah, he landed. By the time he's immigration and all, by the time he'll reach there.
Okay. When am I gonna see my cousins again?
Holidays started, right? We'll go.
When?
Tanya, they all have holidays from Monday. We'll go tomorrow.
Sunday we'll go.
Sunday we'll go.
Excited. This time I want to spend as much time because like we're going to Philippines, right?
Yeah. Sure. No restrictions. You have fun. Everyone has holidays, festival time. Yeah.
Are we gonna celebrate?
Yeah, of course. Every year we'll celebrate, right? Sankranti? Same way. Remember, we used to go, the cockfights. I think when you were very young that time, I bring you also cockfights, right?
Yes.
Here only Sankranti time allowed, right? I think Philippines, the whole year they are allowed. Every day you can see a cockfight. See how they change? Earlier only tables, right? Like so many flowers now. Plants, greenery. Oh, so nice, Nana. Come on. Look at the aeroplane. Ryan, look here. The plane is full of flowers.
Guys, we are having McDonald's breakfast.
And we will be jealous. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, still we have some time to wait, Nana. Let's have breakfast, okay?
Okay.
How is it? It's protein loaded. Egg, chicken, cheese.
Nakatapos ko lang maglinis kahit papano, guys. Kasi sinundo nga ni Ram at saka ni Ryan yung pinsan ni Ram sa airport, diba? Hindi na ako nakasama kasi late ako natulog kagabi dahil sa trabaho. So sabi nila, huwag ka nang sumama. Kasi mga 7:30 ata sila umalis. And naglilinis-linis lang ako ng bahay. Kasi nga baka pumunta dito sa bahay yung pinsan ni Ram eh. Of course, kahit pa paano at least makalinis tayo. Where's Ryan?
Your son wants to stay with his uncle.
Seriously?
Go there, then we'll go out, right? That time you wanna come.
Oh, someone get new shoes!
Look at Ryan, new shoes.
Oh my God, it's so awesome! Oh my God, ang ganda! Akin ba to? Chocolates? Oh, the GoPro!
Surprise?
Oh my God!
That's for you, GoPro.
Those are chocolates?
Okay, yeah. This is Ryan's there.
Oh, swimming glasses.
These are chocolates.
Oh my God, ang daming chocolate.
Yeah.
I cleaned. I thought Avogado will come here.
Those things you already remove, right? Later.
Yeah.
One day only.
What is this?
Start for us, actually.
Ah, okay. Shampoo at shave gel. Daming pasalubong, ha?
Some will bring to them. This is all.
Hershey's. Please.
I cannot control myself now.
Na. Si Daddy Ram mahilig sa chocolate.
But I have to.
Hala. Gummy bears. Gugustuhan ito ng mga bata. Yeah. Someone got nice shoes. Ready for Philippines. Philippines walking. May pagbibigyan yan siya, kaya sinaseparate niya. Oh, looks so good, baby.
Philippines trekking.
Philippines trekking. Ang ganda. Thank you, Abogado. Sabi kasi ni Ram sa kanya, nasira na yung aming camera, diba? Sinabi ko sa inyo nung nakaraang araw.
What a time.
Yeah. So, binilhan niya kami agad ng bagong GoPro. So, din nagbigay sa amin ng aming first ever vlogging camera na M50.
Yeah.
Siya din yung nagbigay, guys. Ito yung aming GoPro, pero sira na kasi siya, guys. So, hindi rin namin magamit ng maayos. Pero at least, meron na tayong bago. Ito kasi Hero 9. It's Hero 9, baby.
Hero 9.
We thought it's 10.
No, it's
But
9.
actually, 9. Ito ay 12. Oh my God. Kaka-excite. Parang first time. May sapatos sila. Ako ay my GoPro. Tinanggal na sa box kasi, ano naman, pabigat lang ang box.
Someone can't sleep today.
Yes. I think almost same size as this.
Little smaller.
9, huh? Smaller.
Little bit, I think.
Oh my God. Same SD card, right?
Yeah, sure.
Let me check. Let's use the same one. At least when we go to beach and outdoor activities in Philippines, meron na kaming gagamitin. Pwede pang underwater. Ito hindi na pwede underwater kasi may ano na siya, may hole. So yung tubig pumapasok sa loob. It's on. Oh my God. GoPro.
Quality should be better than the 9, right?
Yeah, of course.
Maybe see your worry of lighting, all those things also.
Yeah. Kasi yung GoPro maganda pag outdoor. Okay. Kailangan i-charge ang battery. Battery should, kailangan i-ano pa muna, i-charge. Okay, let me charge this. Ay! Sobrang nakaka-happy. May mga accessories na kasi ako. So, okay na ito. Bye, see you later.
Bye, see you later. Have fun, okay? I will drop Ryan, okay?
In the main gate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
See you later, bye. Ito na si Ryan, guys. Excited masyado suotin ang kanyang bagong sapatos. May lunch date kami with my friends. While si Daddy ay busy sa kanyang pinsan. Why is it difficult? You need to pull this one first. How's the size?
Nice.
Other one. Tayo later. Come on, Tito Mark is coming now. Sunduin kami ni Mark kasi
That's weird. Why does it feel so weird?
you're not used to it. It's new, that's why. You'll get used to it. So, how is it?
It feels like I'm not touching the ground. It feels so nice.
Gustong gusto.
I will love this.
Say thank you, Banana.
Thank you, Banana.
Dito kami sa labas, guys. Hinihintay namin si Mark. Kasi sunduin kami ni Mark muna bago kami sabay na pumunta sa Goguryeo Korean restaurant. Someone ate breakfast what? Huh?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Now, lunch?
Kagoryo.
Dinner, we'll see. Kung saan na naman kami dalhin ng pinsan ni Ram siguro. Hindi namin alam, mamaya. Baka iba na naman na restaurant ang ating kainan. Excited talaga sa kanyang sapatos. Uy, sabi ko, don't wear it muna. Wear it in the Philippines. Pero gusto niya talagang gamitin na. Ayan na ang aming sundo. Careful. Hello! Oh, careful!
Construct.
Hoy, si Ate Tere. Handa na nauna na si Ate Tere. Tingnan mo. Si Iris ang reklamo. Tapos si Ate Tere, una-una. Hindi niya nakita. Pwede bang mag-park dyan? Yan yung may-ari, Mark.
Can we park here?
Hello! Bless. Mas nauna ka pa kay Iris. Ang daming reklamo, te. Diba? Mas nauna pa tayo. Come on, let's go. Alin? Tanungin natin kung may Korean hotdog. Wow! Squid Game. Hi! Nanda sa taas. Kayo. Ano yan?
Parang pancake lang. Bugumpang.
Pwede natin i-try. Bahala na kayo mag-order. Kaya nga, ikaw na naman, Mark. Kasi late na naman yung taga-order natin.
Uy, baka madami yung order natin, ha? Kasi kami last
Bulgogi bowl with duck meat.
Basta maubos.
Yun nga eh.
Basta half naman sa'yo, Mark, di ba?
Hindi ko alam yung pinagsasabi niyo.
Tapos na Pasko.
Your shoes.
Oo. Suot agad. Di ba? Ito daw yun, yung parang pancake.
Oh, here. You're one of the boss.
So hungry. Gutom na. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan, pamansi.
Meron sila sweet potato last time.
Yeah.
The corn. It's fish.
How is it? Do you like it? Not bad? Huh?
Not bad.
Not bad.
This is custard.
Di ba? Bakit parang hindi na type?
Pancake na may custard.
Ano siya? May milk tas matamis. Di ba sabi? Ayaw niya na matamis.
Wait,
Masarap naman.
we are in a place that's from
Masarap yung labanos, malambot.
the country that my mom loves watching
Yung baka bang
movies
kumain
from.
What country?
Korea.
Korea, okay. I guess your mom is always watching
Korean, yes.
Korean and I guess she watching mukbang.
That's mukbang.
Mukbang is
Eating videos.
Eating videos, a lot of food at the front of the car.
Uy.
Nauna na ang sweet bago sa kanin.
Parang breakfast.
Take a picture? Huwag na lang.
Ay,
Buka
airdrop.
ko lang.
Dala naman ang star doon sa picture na yun.
At iba lang. Hanapin niyo kung sino to sila. Sino sa apat na to ang mga killer?
Hindi naman alam kung sino sa amin. Sila yan siguro obvious kasi alangan sila mag-isip bata. Loka.
I think this is mild only and this one is japchae.
Okay.
It's a sotanghon.
So tanong,
Yeah.
may nag-i-English na naman.
May bata dito yung bata.
Guys, follow me on my YouTube.
Ayun na naman siya.
Paki-follow naman sa YouTube ko. Meron ako Marky on the go. Marky on the go.
Oo, meron
Wala
na
pa akong video. Next month pa.
Is it Marky on the go?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
Marky on the go.
Marky on the go. The same.
Marky on the gold.
Marky.
Marky on the gold.
Marky on the go.
Like a traveler. Marky the traveler. Is spicy?
Yeah, but you have to
Ha? Walang makakain to
Hindi
dito.
kaya niya. May fish
It's more spicy than the chips you ate yesterday.
What chicks?
It's hot.
Pati yung fish cake ka? Nakahalo dyan?
Just wait a little bit, it will be lesser.
Just wait for the Goma
Goma
Korean
chicken.
fried chicken. Okay?
It's sushi.
Serving spoon, please.
You wanna try, Nana?
It's 100% sushi.
No, they're not sushi.
It's sushi.
Well, it has nori.
It's good?
Everything you need to put in your mouth.
Oh!
Galing ni frontman.
Wow. How is it?
It's good?
First time
Ah.
na approve.
Approve. This is a chef. You know how to...
널 볼 때면 내 숨이 가빠져 방심한 사이 내 맘을 훔친 너 회색 빛에 내 하루가 점점 너만의 태도로 날 물들여가 You set my world on fire 내 세상에 번져 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 나고 싶어 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 내 곁에 있어줘 You set my
This is mine, and these 4 are for the others.
Tita Gandas.
Tita Ganda and Tito Gandas.
Pogi, guwapo.
Guapo Ganda. Guapo Ganda.
Ito Pogi and
Guapo Ganda.
Actually, wait.
Oh my god. Bro, I need to concentrate.
Whoa.
Somebody keep a timer. Somebody keep a timer for 10 minutes.
Timer?
Yes.
How to make you do it?
We'll start now.
How much time?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
No, 10 minutes.
3:45, okay?
So, isa na lang ako ng lasa.
Seriously, you're keeping me in the rush. Please don't break. Please don't break.
Paano mo sa akin?
Please, can there be what is
Yeah,
it?
let's do it.
Oh, you're doing slate too?
Yeah, we're going to.
Come on.
Wait for us.
Bahala sila.
No,
Lalo mo na rin ako.
we can't wait for you. The camera is already started.
Wala ko ng camera. Baka mamaya ano.
Oh my god, don't break it already.
Yeah, that's why.
Why?
Let's turn it.
Which one is... This is mine?
You break it, you...
What do you mean? I didn't break it. What do you mean? I didn't break it.
Okay, paki-mention sa comment section kung flowers ba to?
It's a bird.
Bakit may
It's a
stick yung
bird.
flower?
It's a
Bakit
bird.
may stick yung duck?
It's a bird.
It's a bird. Ano? That is
So here, we're trying
That's English.
sorry, because Ryan is here. Okay?
That's
Ryan show.
Sige.
Okay. Timer.
Next time.
Oh
my! Yung sugar mo, ma'am. Artigas. Ryan.
Ate.
Talo ka na din.
No, this acting. Or else you're out.
새벽 2시 폰을 열어
tatay. Luray-luray pa ako.
Tingnan mo yung...
Grabe naman
ano
yan.
nangyari sa ano niya?
Puso niya.
Dalgusan niya.
Yung puso ko ano na.
Heart daw yan. Ewan ko, heart ba yan? Para na din ano yan.
Kinain ko na.
Halo-halo.
Kinain ko na kasi.
Ryan.
Trying, still trying.
Yeah, Ryan, you can do it.
Hindi na niya tinapos. Kinain na niya pati yung papel.
Yung aking kaus.
Uy, alin. Bakit kami hindi namin main?
Si Mami Berly din, tingnan niyo.
Naubos na, naubos na.
Hindi na nilaro, kinain na lang.
Hey, you stole my mask!
Yeah, but if you will not finish it, I will...
Take a picture, take a picture.
Okay?
Kill her, she lost!
Killer, she lost.
Bayan!
Ano ba yan? Ano naman yan? Flower or hindi?
Airplane.
Broke, Ryan.
Yahoo!
It's okay. This one will bring at home, okay?
Yahoo!
Can do it at home. Irene, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ma!
Say thank you, Tita Iris. Thank you, Tita Iris. Tita Ganda, thank you.
Thank you, Ma!
Mama, say thank you. Come on, let's go. Bye. See you later. Dito kami sa AMB Mall, guys. Ang ganda. So nice na yan. Dito si Ram at saka yung pinsan niya. The one that is waiting. Looks so cool, right? Something for banana. Oh, it's very colorful. I think it's not for banana, it's for dad.
Yeah, it's for daddy.
Mamagaro. Choose clothes. He's giving him clothes.
You want to take some from?
Give me that. So you can choose. Guys, someone got new glasses, guys. Sunglasses. Pogi naman yan.
Please comment below
How about
it's good
Ryan?
on me.
How about Ryan? How about Ryan? Sige daw eh.
Thank you, Sneta.
Ano say? Thank you, Snetaka.
Thank you, Snetaka.
Oh, thank you, Sneta. It's mine. Thank you, Sneta.
It looks so
Love
good.
you.
Looks so good, Nana.
What?
Daddy, you got your Ray-Ban already.
Wait,
This is
See,
Sneta's-
my gift for you.
He said Ray-Ban is it. You want to wear
Wait,
it?
So, comment down below if it looks better on me or daddy. Whoever says the most, these glasses will be their one.
This is Sneta gift to me, so it's mine.
Ito na kami sa bahay, guys. You did not see this one, Daddy. Ryan's letter for you.
You didn't see that before.
Daddy, me and Mommy are going somewhere.
Yung aming old GoPro, sira na talaga. Pati yung dito niya, oh. It's okay. How was your day, Daddy? Tired?
Easy, good, enjoyed, fun.
We're full na ride. Had fun with the Dalgona game. Oh, check this one, Anna. Is it still okay? You and Daddy can play again. Nakapag-Sharon pa ng ano. This one. This is Dalgona game in Squid Game.
No idea.
It's also sweet. Oh my god, they gave us money.
I don't know.
5.
I didn't
That one
yeah,
wasn't
5.
there. That one.
6. Yeah, they
That
gave
one
6
I
na.
cannot see. Oh, I think it's 7.
6 only. 1,
I
2.
cannot see this one. What is this? M. See? 1,
Oh, that's
2,
new
3,
one.
4, 5,
5,
6.
6.
This one and this one are new one.
Yeah, you can do it
No,
later.
it's one only. 2.
Oh, is this paper? It's 5.
No, 6.
6? Okay. Bye, Daddy. See you later. These are your clothes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll pack after a while.
Also, okay. We'll see what morning, what time we'll start. My t-shirt, okay, my clothes, okay. It looks ugly.
No, it's okay. Where are you going?
Going to one of the cousin's house.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I will be late.
No problem.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye.
So, ayan guys. Nag-i-empake na ako. Mga around 7 days siguro kami doon sa probinsya, more or less. Then, of course, 7 days. Dapat maraming damit. Pang tulog, pang labas, tapos may function pa. Kaya ang dami guys. Si Daddy Ram, ito lang yung pinipare niya kanina. Ewan ko na lang talaga. Parang 3 or 4 na t-shirt lang. Tapos ilang pantalon, tapos tulog. Then kay Ryan, ang dami. So, ewan ko, tatanungin ko siya mamaya kung yan lang talaga. Sigurado ba talaga siya na yan lang yung dadalhin niya? Then sabi niya, ito daw maliit lang na maleta. Parang feeling ko hindi kasya. So, itong malaki na maleta yung paglalagyan ko. Diba? Sabi ko lang. So guys, shout out time. Since si Daddy Ram ay wala sa bahay, si Ryan ang gagawa. Go!
Shout out to Elisa Soriano and Bernadette Maron.
Okay.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas. Peace.